make it pop if my hair would just do what it's supposed to do. What the heck is this bit?
Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going ahead and reviewing even more Behance portfolios. If you're new here, never seen me before, or maybe you've watched a few of my videos, please press that red subscribe button so you never miss out on another review video of amazing portfolios. This video is brought to you by Squarespace. So I'm on my For You page on Behance. Yes, it does have a For You page. And this one is striking me here. This is from Shandon Daz, and I love the color photo there. This looks insane with the frosted glass effect. Super cool. And this is your logo folio. All the links to these portfolios are down in the description, so go ahead, go to Behance, give them a follow. I do love your style. It's very bold and clean at the same time. I love the typography that you've used here. Brand name, value read. Even this one's really cool. I love the bold ideas that you've got here. You can really tell that it is your style just by looking at it. This one here is like more of an illustration, but I love logo designs that use negative space very cleverly, such as this where the hair is supposed to be the positive space, but they've used it as negative to make it easier on the eye. Now this one's interesting. I've never had this sort of thought before, using different sort of abstract shapes in the way to create a logo. Very, very cool. I don't know what this is, but it looks pretty cool. Eat, play, live. Right. Experiment if the home cooked food of each country into a convenient portable sandwich breakfast is delicious. Okay. I love the design so far. The photography and everything and the way that you've done this is really well designed, very minimal. Got a bit of anti-design in there too. Ooh, that's cool. You know when someone's a designer when they buy a sparkling water can. So experimental calligraphy. So AirView, series of drone photos with experimental calligraphy. This is from Alex, and oh my days, it is cool. This style of calligraphy always gets me, and I love the dynamic range of this photograph. Like, the camera must have good dynamic range, because look at that. It looks so clean. So many cool photographs. This is a great opportunity for me to talk about how awesome it is to create just a portfolio of things that you're passionate about. You know, you could be a calligrapher and you might have a drone, which I both have. I could literally just go out, take some amazing pictures that I put on my Instagram and put calligraphy over the top of it and make a portfolio out of it. There is a market for stuff like this, especially when we look at this. That's unreal. Amazing, amazing work. This one looks interesting. Choco Toy Cute. This is done by, and that is an amazing shiny object. Look at that. Oh wow, I love this. Look at how clean it looks. You can see just the amount of effort that's gone into these as well. They look super clean, but you can tell exactly what they are. They've got visual similarities, and the way that you put it in your portfolio is just direct and to the point, which I absolutely love. I don't know what it is, but 3D artwork is just the boy. Everything looks so clean in the way that it's rendered. Technology has just moved so fast. Fear of God, nice one. Ostrich, visual identity and communication. It's a house removals company in Melbourne, Australia. The typography is amazing. Check that out, how awesome and old school it looks, but with the modern feel. I love this. We'll take it from here. I like this a lot. Even this, like using the yellow ochre in the background and having all these colors, I can really tell you're going for the old vintage sort of hipstery vibe. I love the typeface. I'm a hand letterer. I do a lot of things with typography, and it's probably just the cleanest logo I've seen in a while, actually. Now, there's something about this, like this poster. It looks like IKEA because of all the blocky colors and probably the household things that you've got there. Really nice, geometric, and really unique as well. Not sure about that color, but this one looks unreal. Even the van. You can see here in these portfolios that you're seeing real life mock-ups. So you're seeing things that could be seen in real life, and that's the most important part of a portfolio. Is not only just showing the work, like the logo that you see at the top, which you should show as the main feature, but then we need to give more context to the visual identity and the way that you communicate that across to customers and everyone else. And we do that by showing the posters and any sort of thing like mock-ups of vans or whatever. Unreal work. This one looks really pink. Super Slice is a local pizza shop in Kuwait that serves in quality ingredients and innovative toppings. The idea was to create an atmosphere inspired by the 80s and 90s with an icon that stands out from most pizza places but still resembles a pizza slice. That is super cool. That is really cool. What an idea. So you could just have a pizza slice, but no, you've actually gone ahead and spent the time drawing two hands to create the pizza slice chevron, which I'm going to call it a chevron. If you don't know what that is, search for it. It's on the NASA logo. Super slice. I love the typography there. Really nice. The colors are bold, which is what you want, especially for the brief, what was it, the 1970s? 80s and 90s. And again, what are we seeing in this portfolio? Not only are we seeing the logo and how clever it is, we're seeing all the complementary things with it, like the bag, all the letters, the stickers, the matches. Even this, I love this sort of thing where you have like just the same color as the background. How clean does that look? Even the plate. Before I go to the next one, I just want to thank the sponsor of this video, the people that make this happen, Squarespace. Now, if you're someone who's a designer and needs a portfolio, a place to put your work to gain clients and to make more money, then Squarespace is the best place for you to create it. I've used Squarespace for 7 years now, not only to host my portfolio, but to be a place where clients can contact me, and also a place to sell my digital resources like my Procreate brushes, which you can get now. Go to my website, Paterson.design. With thousands of fully customizable templates that you can use to make your website truly your own, and the fact that you can make your website before you purchase it, and the fact that you get 20% off Squarespace by clicking my link down below in this description means that Squarespace is the best place for you. You don't have to be a web design wizard to create an amazing looking website. Click down below, and don't forget, you can make your website before you actually pay for it. So go ahead and take the free trial. So this one round the corner, let's have a look. Beer, burger, beer. I like it. Round the corner is an urban kitchen located in Bulawayo, Zimbabwe. I think I've said that right. The kitchen specializes in local cuisine, beer and burgers, and gourmet international classics, all available to take away. Nice one. So I love the idea of this. The logo type is very readable, maybe not at lower scales, but I love the fact that you've got corners in all the typography with the retro sort of looking type. I like the actual icon too. Very literal. Round the corner. Beer, burger, beer. This is my sort of place. I like the mock-ups that you've used here. Again, we're starting to see this year, as I said in my design trends video, very bold colors that are happening, very contrasting. You know, people don't normally use these because they're kind of like, they have to be done tastefully, but everyone's just going all out on the pinks. I love this. This is the sort of thing that I, as a owner of an agency, would be looking at as for a designer to create. If I was to hire someone, I want to see how their work looks in real life. And if I was a client, I know I'll be looking for that. Just this, seeing how it all works, the colors are working together, you've got the cups, it really makes me want to have that cup and for someone to design it, including this with the menus. Very nice. I love the images there that just show bits of the brands in the background. So the forefront is the food, but we're seeing how easy it is to get the brand in the background with the stickers, the mats, and even this. Really well done, dude. Love it. So this next one is Core and Rind. I love the start here of showing not just the brand, but you're showing the packaging. Core and Rind are two cheesy goddesses, our words, not theirs, on a mission to provide the world with plant-based cheesy goodness and rid the center aisle of bad imitation cheese. So they're doing a rebrand. Cool. So we see their mission and what they want to bring to the table, basically. This is the logo. Really nice logo. It's like the 1960s serif, you know, of all these retro things and all these colors looking really nice as well. I love the packaging on this. Really well done. It's been laid out super well and it's very unique and it stands out. I love the film grain effect of how it's sort of going for a knockback to the 1960s to 80s. I love the look of this. The colors and everything else, really nice, really bold. I like it how you just laid out everything here, from the brand sort of guidelines to the typography, the clear space, all the way down to the usages of the icons and logos. This here is clever. Obviously, in some brand projects, which is something that I would love to do, is to actually do a photo shoot of the things that created the brand. It's images like this that make portfolios fun to look at, visually interesting, and provide a lot of context. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to watch another one of these, then there's one right here for you to go watch right now. And if you haven't already, what you're doing, press that red subscribe button so you never miss a video, and obviously comment down below which one is your favorite today, and also share the video if you're part of the true family and the true subscribers of mine. Share the video with your family and friends or other designers. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.